What are the instances where you might not choose to install the Ignition Interlock Device in Georgia when you've been arrested for a DUI and you've also refused the chemical testing? Well, one reason you may not want to install the Ignition Interlock Device is it is very expensive, and not everybody can afford to make that installation and keep up with the maintenance by bringing it in every month. The second reason might be if you already know within that first 30 days that it is your intention to plead guilty to DUI. You might decide, instead of installing that Ignition Interlock Device, to request a hearing. You pay $150, you send in your hearing request. The reason that you might choose this option is because often when you get that hearing, the officer will enter into an agreement with you that if you agree to plead guilty to DUI, that he will withdraw the license suspension. Now, this course of action is a little bit risky, although it is certainly a lot less expensive. It's risky because it depends upon the officer agreeing to withdraw the suspension in exchange for a promise to plead guilty to DUI. And it also depends upon your ability to be at the hearing and or have a lawyer at the hearing appear on your behalf. If you miss the hearing, your license will go into automatic suspension. So there are definitely risks involved, and there are a lot of factors that you want to consider. This is not a decision you should make on your own. This truly is something that you should at least call an attorney to speak with, because there are a lot of complicated implications. But there are good reasons to choose either the Ignition Interlock Device or the hearing, depending on the facts of your case.